Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Sears tower on the bench. This is really a Smith Corona Corsair. You know, kind of after the Skywriter came the Corsair. That's what this is. It's got carriage shift. And these have, I don't know why these particular models have a tendency to these arms on the extremes seem to get fouled up a lot. That one is just sticky, I think. I think we can put some lacquer thinner in there and that will fix that right up. Most of these are just sticky like that. But this one over here on the edge, which is the @ and cent sign, will not. I put chemical soap, I've scrubbed that, it's still binding. I've tried gapping the gap here a little more and it's still binding. I think this bar got bent down in right here at the pivot. It's my only conclusion, and that it's a little bit warped down here, and it's just not going to work unless I take it out of here and do some serious modifications, some grinding or something on that type bar. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take that bar out and see if I can fix that way. So I'm going to pull the fulcrum here. Got to loosen these two screws. A screw on this side and this one on this side. And then I should be able to push the fulcrum through. That's right here on the edge, so I'm just going to push it through this direction. I think we'll just push that through right here. Yeah, there we go. Got to push through so I can grab it over here. There it is right there. I can just grab the tip of that and pull it through. Grab some pliers to do this with, and that should release this tight bar. Not quite all the way, just a little more. Well, maybe just a little more. That's gotta be out of there, I think. Let's hit the letter, see if I can get this to come out of here. Can't get it to come out. To come out here. Don't quite understand this. I see the link right back here is kind of interfering with the type bar coming out. So there we go. So there's that link. I just want to set that to the side. Like right there would be good. And let's see if this thing feels like it's binding up here. Yeah, it does. So let's take a look at this and see if we can see any wear marks. Look and see if it looks level. It does look like it's rubbing right up here at the top. So probably going to hit that with the Dremel tool and see if I can get this to work. I could put this on the bench grinder, but I'm just going to Dremel tool it right here. Getting a little warm. Make sure I do the other side a little bit too. Alright, let's try that. Cool this off a little bit. Well, it feels better because it's moving pretty free in here now. Rub this a little bit here. Well, that might do it. I'm going to go ahead and reattach it to the link. Like that. I'm going to run it down in here. There we go. Push the fulcrum back here, back in place. Here. See if we can get it back. Okay. So now she's back in place. Well, that did it. Just had to grind some off that. So, you know, the bar next to it right there, the 1/4 right there, it's sticking. That's just dirty, because if I put lacquer center in here, that starts working. But it was this other one here that was binding, and that is the cure for that particular bar. So I think we can call this success here, which is good, because this looks like it's going to be a good machine. Okay, now I'm just going to do the rest of the flush of the segment. But that's what you got to do sometimes. You got to get a little aggressive on these sometimes, especially these Corsairs. They seem to be the ones that that seems to happen to, because I don't know why. I think these just get some kind of abuse or something. Maybe they're right on the edge and they get bent or something. I'm not sure why, but I think we have fixed. Oh yeah, it was a Challenger. It's a challenge. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.